So I decided to get on a LinkedIn Live this morning because I have about 15 minutes before my next session. And this event is still counting down. They had a 15-minute timer on there to get people to show up and for them to get all their people set up, because this is a pretty cool live event. I've seen it before. But while I'm on here, I went looking and I noticed that, I knew this was here. I can see here's about, here's the comment section, where people can comment. That's pretty cool. Here's the networking. And under the networking, I can see 11 of my connections are signed up to be on this live. 6 people from University of Maryland are signed up to be on this LinkedIn Live, and 245 total attendees, probably including these 17 people. Now, this is pretty cool. I can send, connect, and message from here, but look, it stops. It doesn't give me the whole list. But look what happens when I click on See All. This is really interesting. Click on See All. It puts the live down here. And by the way, if I had the audio on, you'd hear the audio. I'd hear the audio down here at the bottom playing. And it puts me in LinkedIn search looking for people who are event attending this event number right here, event attending this number. And I can further dig into and search for these 246 people who said they are attending this LinkedIn Live. I can look by connection level, locations. I can use all of the filters available to me while I look at this event that I am actually in and listening to right now. Again, you can look at the networking, scroll to the bottom, click See All. Could keep the event playing live, including the audio if I didn't have it muted. And I can go to LinkedIn search and drill into the list of all of those who said they are attending this LinkedIn Live event. One more little trick that I just discovered in the process of doing attending this live and doing this video is if I could move to anywhere else I want on LinkedIn, and look, it's still playing down here. I can do whatever I want to do. I can message people, engage with people. I can go to different spaces on LinkedIn. I can, go look at different people on LinkedIn, et cetera, et cetera. And the live is still playing down here. I actually have to hit leave in order to turn this off on my computer and take me back to LinkedIn without the live running. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this little tip can be useful for you.